Meet Momo, Hime, and Chibi, three curious cat sisters living in a cozy apartment in the heart of Tokyo. Momo is the calm and wise one. Hime is full of sparkle and loves shiny things. And Chibi? She's the smallest. And the silliest. They spend their days napping in sunbeams, watching anime with their human, and chasing pigeons in the park. But one rainy afternoon, as they cuddle by the window, a big idea sparks in Momo's mind. Let's explore all of Japan. Momo meows excitedly. Hime's eyes sparkle. Chibi flips upside down with excitement. Tiny backpacks are packed with fish snacks, toy mice, a camera. They wave goodbye to their sleepy human and sneak out the cat door. Their human is resting while the curious cats quietly venture out, beginning their secret journey. From temples to trains to tasty treats, nothing can stop these paws. Their adventure begins, right, meow? Like their adventure so far? Then tap that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. More meow-mazing stories are coming soon on GoldSpark Studio, where every paw print tells a story. GoldSpark Studio.